no shame in being afraid, Marinette. I'm scared too, of the dark, of humidity, of germs, and even mice. I was really frightened about protesting this morning, but I plucked up my courage and managed to do it anyway. Now, we've got to escape and find a way to help the others. If you ever get too scared, just hold this badge and remember, fear is a natural reflex, but you can overcome it.
How am I gonna do this? Oh, I know! Oh no, I'm Mini Maledictator! Get away, Milan! Help us to depollute Paris, my fellow citizens! I know, that wasn't very cool, but I had no choice. Come on, Tiki, we need Ladybug! Spontan!
Lady, thanks for dropping by.
That was a close one.
Let me go.
Lucky Charm!